You build it, they will come, sabi nga nila. Wow, napaka-random nito usapan natin ngayon. Ganda, bagay dito sa Vespa natin. Woo! Yo, yo! Good morning! It's a Monday today. Kakatapos lang ng weekend natin. And hope napanood nyo na yung bagong live vlog natin. Once in a while, gumagawa tayo ng mga mini-movies ba? Motovlog style pa rin. Pero more on life lessons. Yung content and topic natin doon. So, hopefully nagugustuhan nyo siya. We put a lot of effort into those videos. So, nakakatuwa siyang gawin. Medyo demanding siya, pero nakakatuwa siyang gawin. Makes what we are doing, what I'm doing more meaningful ba? So, hope nagugustuhan niyo sila. Konti pa lang views, of course. Pero dadami rin yan. You build it, they will come, sabi nga nila. Oh, yeah. Thank you. It's a beautiful Monday today. Hopefully, you're hearing me loud and clear. We're using the 2025 motovlog setup natin, where we have usually the Action 4, pero today we switched it up to the Insta360. So one cam lang tayo ngayon. May POV and A-roll tayo. Hindi ko alam ano yung tawag dun sa nakaharap sa'yo eh. I usually refer to that as A-roll eh. Okay, anak ko, 112 seconds. Ayan, dito tayo sa De Rosario stop. Record holder for the longest stoplight. At least yun ang feeling namin. Whoa, whoa. Yo. Alright. Pwesto tayo. There. Okay. Remember when I did the introductory motovlog setup natin, ang gamit nating helmet noon is a full face. I think that was still the ID Rocket, yung yellow, race yellow helmet natin. I miss that helmet. But we had to let it go kasi maliit sa akin eh. Sakit sa tenga. May pressure na nararamdaman sa tenga part kapag ka long ride. Na-let go natin and we got a new helmet, a replacement for that. Yung origin naman, yung white. Ganda. Bagay dito sa Vespa natin. Pero with the weather that we have, araw, ulan, araw na konti, ulan ulit. Sabi ko, kawawa naman tong helmet na to. So, we got this new one. Etong TTN Go. Well, sabi niya sa Shopee, TTN Go siya. Pero dami niya kamukha. Mumu lang tong helmet mo. The visor, the bubble visor, amber, kasama nito ngayon, is sold separately. If you get this stuff sa mga Shopee sale, it's 7.7 today. Mas mura siya. Okay, for those na bago sa channel natin, usually curious sila kung ano yung setup natin ng camera. We're using the Insta360 X3. Kahit gusto man natin yung mga bago, let's stick with this one. Able and capable naman to. Kamahal ng mga bago eh. If you ramp this up to all the way to 5.7K resolution, got pretty good results naman. Ang di ko lang alam is kung paano yung audio nito with the mic mini. So I hope okay naman siya. Look ko, meron tong sa harap natin na sticker. Sabi niya, child with autism on board. In an emergency, may not respond to verbal command. Be unaware of danger. Be non-verbal. Resist and run away. Ay, hindi pala sa paragraph. Mga bullets pala yun. Yan. Be unaware of danger. Be non-verbal. Resist and run away. Ganda nito. Parang caution. Diba? It's a big family from the stickers dito sa rear windshield niya. Family of 5. Autism ngayon, napaka-common na sa generations natin. I had short opportunity to work with a startup company that aimed to provide toys for children with autism and the like. Kasi ang mga therapists, ginagamit nila in one of their technique to help with the development of the child, play therapy. Kapampangan eh. Play therapy. Play therapy. Kasi napakasimple lang pala nung kailangan, no? Yung nawala actually, kaya natin na-experience yung mga to. Sabi nga nung elderly, yung mga bata sa generation natin ngayon, hindi naman sila nagbago. Ang nagbago yung mga parents. Hindi naman natin biniblame yung parents, but it's just what it is. Kasi napaka-demanding ng buhay ngayon eh. Both of the parents really have to, diba, earn a living. Lalo na kung kasama tayo sa lower and middle class, di ka kaya of course may tatawid ng isang breadwinner yung family, pero more often napapansin natin kailangan magtulungan yung husband and wife para maitawid yung pamilya. That's the situation we're in, and with that, syempre yung nanay is also preoccupied with career, with work, and minsan sasacrifice yung time para sa mga bata. And yung mga bata, ang requirement nila is play. Hindi ako exception dyan. Kaming dalawa ni Missy, kukulang din yung oras din namin. Kaya ngayon, nakikita namin yung symptoms ng effect nun. I won't give you the details, pero hindi naman sila autism. Wala naman regular, ganong condition yung mga anak namin. But napaka-varied kasi ng epekto ng tablet baby. Diba? Para maging tahimik yung mga bata kapag kasama natin sila, is them the gadget, give them the tablet. At some point, we are so guilty of that. More and more children nowadays wear eyeglass. Yung bunso namin at an early age has to wear eyeglasses. Has to correct eye condition niya. With the startup company na nabanggit ko kanina, we were developing toys. I was with the art department. Gumagawa kami ng prototypes, toys para sa play therapy. Ayan, napaka-interesting. Napaka-simple nung solution, pero ang hirap gawin. Ang hirap bigyan ng panahon. Diba? The child's only language to us parents is, Papa, play naman tayo. Paminsan na di-displace pa natin yung init ng ulo natin sa kanila. When we get home kasi makalat, ganyan, tapos siyayain ka niya, Papa, let's play. Tapos nakasabog yung mga laruan niya. Ikaw naman, pagod ka sa office, tinambakan ka ng mga problema. Pag dating mo sa bahay, parang sinabog sa kwarto yung mga yung mga laruan, di ba? Sino ba namang di maapektuhan doon? But yun nga, child's only language is let's play. Nakakalimutan natin yun. And what we say, how we respond to that, dadalhin ng mga anak natin hanggang sa sila tumanda. Wow, napaka-random nitong usapan natin ngayon. I'm just on my way to the office as usual. It's a manic Monday. Nakita-kita sa traffic. And we just happened to see that sticker. Hindi ko nga alam kung nasan na yung sakit. Pero ang sarap, no? Mag-kwentuhan like this. Oh yeah! Ito yung masarap dito sa 3/4 helmet na to. Dati, akala ko dito sa helmet na to is half face, ganun. Pero parang hindi ko hindi maglagay ng visor. I feel so naked. Parang ngayon, I'm just sinasanay ko lang yung sarili ko na I'm okay with no gloves. Pero of course it's not. It's better to have gloves. Pero yung feeling lang na okay lang ako mag-ride, may confidence pa rin kahit na walang gloves. Kasi dati I'm so not used to this. Yung wala kang gloves, I feel so naked. Oh no. Donuts. Nakapag-breakfast na ba kayo? Or kamukha nyo ako na nag-i-struggle na mag-try ng intermittent fasting? Gutom na ako nito. Ayan, nasarap. Pag naka-face, pumapasok yung hangin, of course. Naka-shield ka for the face. Usually, purpose ko nito is to protect my eyes kasi puwing magnet yung eyes ko. My goodness. You can still wear your eyeglasses dito sa mga visor na to. May enough room naman. After all, bubble naman siya. Kaya mas gusto ko yung mga bubble. May konting adjustment lang at first kasi may curve, di ba, yung lens. Ano yung bago ka. But you'll get the hang of it. Siguro mga 3rd and 4th day, okay na siya. Oops. Yeah. Chill talaga kapag Vespa yung gamit ko to work eh. Lapit na. Be friendly to me today, Mr. Sun. Sana hanggang mamayang pauwi. Wala mo lang ulan-ulan. Although may poncho naman tayo. Dati ang gamit ko na rain gear is the Moto Wolf. Diyos ko po! Ay, nababasa ako dun sa Moto Wolf na yun. Hindi siya maganda. Papasok yung tubig dito sa chest area, sa neck. Buti pang hindi ka na jacket. Yung pants, okay siya eh. Pero yung jacket. So I got the altitude poncho. Kasi magagamit ko rin pagka may hikes kami. So dual purpose. As usual. Ayun. So, muli okay itong 3/4 helmet natin, visor, and vlog setup. More of the life vlogs coming soon. And more nitong kwentuhan natin, of course. Okay, pass muna tayo sa office. See you in a bit. Tapos na Monday work duty. Ay, time to go home. May time na okay itong amber visor. Eto, pag gantong pauwi, parang extra, paggabi na. Kasi golden yung lahat eh. Sa umaga, okay lang siya. The green parang becomes blue. Okay ba eh. And of course, yung parang orange becomes red. Yung yellow, nagiging red na siya eh. Oh yeah, ngayong pauwi na tayo on our way home. Kinalikot natin tong it's a 360X3, and all this time pala we're using 5.7K resolution, 30 frames per second. Yun na yung max niya eh, under standard video. Pero meron pala siyang active HDR. So hindi ko pa siya nagagamit or natatry talaga. And this is what we're using now. Tignan natin kung mas okay ba siya. We also have to check the file size na ginagawa niya. Usually, I chop the videos into, say, mga tig 10. Malaki na yan, mahaba na yung 10 minutes. Usually, it's 6 to 8 minutes. Tulad nito, nasa traffic naman tayo. So, I'll cut the video short here and then start another clip kapag kumandar na tayo. Remember in our early episode, itong Best of Vlogs natin, we installed a lowering kit para maabot natin yung street. It will help sa mga stoplights para hindi tayo masyadong tiptoe. But may may effect. May side effect. Sumasayad yung muffler natin kapag meron tayo sakay na OBR. Konti lang naman. Kaya lang, syempre, dapat wala talagang sumasayad. So, we got a replacement pipe that will accommodate a muffler na mayroong size ng inlet 51mm. Kagabi dumating na yung in-order nating Acura na move. Tingnan natin kung anong kinahinat na niya. So not really for the audio, yung exhaust natin, mods natin, but para ma-free up yung space dun sa ilalim nitong Vespa. So hopefully it works. Balitaan ko kayo pagka na-install na natin and na-try natin. Okay, Gonski here. See you on the next one. That's that. Happy Monday, everyone.
Only got love but staying on defense. Mistakes but no longer out here tweaking. Euphoria nights I picked up the pieces from times I was left you bleeding.